This week, Parashat Pinchas, Torah says what happened with Midian and the Midian came, and Bilam gave Etzah advice to Balak. If you want to get rid of them, you couldn't curse them. Hashem didn't let. If you want, what should you do? You should send all of the girls and let them to, in other words, put the older ladies outside to sell telepishton, another flax cloth, the best one, and then put the younger girls cheaper inside. And they would go there, they would attract it to them, and these younger girls would tell them, if you want me, you have to be over the Avodah Zarah. And it's very interesting. What type of Avodah Zarah was? It was Peor. What's Peor? Peor, Chacham say Peor means uncovering yourself. They used to uncover themselves and go to relieve themselves. What's the kavod, relieving themselves in front of the Avodah Zarah? The Persian say, what type of Avodah Zarah is it? It's unbelievable Avodah Zarah. You understand the Avodah Zarah, you respect Avodah Zarah as a power, as something. Now here, what type of Avodah Zarah is it? Come and tell us, HaKadosh Baruch Hu created the system of relieving one himself going to bathroom. Why did Hashem do that? Because Hashem saw Hiram, king, that he helped Shlomo HaMelech to build Beit HaMikdash, and since he provided the wood for Beit HaMikdash, he became very arrogant, and he made seven layers of a palace for himself on the water, and little by little he convinced himself to an idol to be worshipped. Hashem saw that person could become such an arrogant person. That's why I created that system in a person, that the person should know that, to not to be so arrogant, to be so, that shows that, it doesn't belong arrogance, it doesn't belong to human being. That's the lowest function that the person has. Now, when a person goes to an idol, he would tell him, present himself. He will present himself with the highest form, means I'm capable, I want to be serving you, and you could rely on me, I do. But what's the purpose of Avodah Zarah? Idol worship. Why a person goes to idol? Because he wants to form his own Avodah Zarah, his own idol. He doesn't want to be submitting to regulation and rules. He wants to be healthier, he wants to be free of charge, he wants to do whatever that he wants. Therefore, the best Avodah Zarah idol is the Avodah Zarah that you go to, and you say, see, this is our function. The lowest function you show to Avodah Zarah. And you tell the idol, don't expect me anything. I'm this. That's the way that I am. That is what the human beings are. Therefore, you better not expect anything. And then you would justify yourself to be free of charge. Whatever that you want to do, whatever that, like this world that we are living right now, people they don't want regulation. They feel free of charge would be better. That's the illusion of reality. If you are free of charge, then you lose yourself, you lose your dignity, you lose what you stand for. And there's no pleasure, there's no happiness, there's no joy, there's sadness, depression, and everything. But the Baruch Hu is telling us this is the wrong way. Therefore, only these people that they had such a great power, such a great stand in Torah mitzvot, they fell through this because they felt, what is it? We just leave ourselves. What is it? They didn't understand that they're leaving yourself in front of the Torah. You are showing that you are nobody, you are nothing. See, the idol that works and convinces a person to astray is feeling that I'm nobody, I'm nothing. Person could be a great Rosh Hashiva, person could be a great Oved Hashem. As soon as he feels that I'm nobody, I'm nothing, what am I doing? That is pitfall to fall in a disaster. Because they felt they're nobody, they're nothing. What are they? What are they good for? And that's function that we have. That's the way that they related to the idea. And through that, the people that they were such a stature, they fell through because of that mysterium. This is a mysterium that still we are handling with. In other words, they stood in all of the Nisyanot or Midbar, but this mysterium of feeling nothing, feeling that I'm not capable, feeling that no, I'm not competent enough. That feeling destroys a person, no matter how great the person is. The person could be very great, but that feeling get to a person, destroys a person. Therefore, always you have to understand that you are Avodim Baruch Hu. We have such a big role in Avodat Hashem, and we are unique in our own way. Every Jew is a Jew from the crown of Avodah Baruch Hu. If that crown doesn't have that jewel, that crown would be missing. The king cannot use that crown. Feelings like that would help a person to stand in such a great historian that could destroy a person.